Hey everyone, Mike here from Lux Trading Firm. Today we're going to dive into the heartbeat of your trading journey, the player dashboard. So when you're trading prediction markets, data and layout are everything. You need to know where your metrics are, how to filter through hundreds of live global events, and how to track your statistics so you can manage your account professionally. Let's break down exactly what all of this means so you can navigate the platform like a pro. All right, so now you're looking at your command center. Let's start with the left-hand sidebar menu. Right under Home tab, you have your FAQ rules. Make sure to read these. Followed by that, you have your tutorials, which is exactly where you can access all our guided videos. Below that, you'll see My Trades tab, where all your live positions are tracked, and further down, you can check your rewards, certificates, or hit the challenge reset if you ever need a fresh start. Now, look at the top header. This is your quick account summary. You can see your unique account number, your account status, which shows active once you launch a challenge, and your total balance right over here on the top right corner. Clean, simple, and always visible. Moving to the center of the dashboard, you'll see our category filter bar. If you want to focus on specific sectors, you can click on sports, crypto, finance, or politics. But if you want to see what the market is heavily trading right now, just click on the trending or ending soon. Clicking any of these will instantly redirect you to the dedicated page featuring those specific high action contracts. Right below that, you have your core trading metrics. Your realized gain box shows your net return on the challenge so far, giving you a real-time look at your exact profit. Next to it, you'll see your all-time win rate, which tracks the accuracy of your settled predictions. Keep a close eye on these numbers. They are very key to tracking your performance and scaling up your funded stage. As you can see, your dashboard is designed to give you a maximum clarity with zero clutter. Everything you need to find markets and track your performance is just one click away. Get familiar with your dashboard layout, and I'll see you all in the next tutorial.